I have just checked into Le Blanc in Los Cabos and I'm so excited. And I am with David, my butler, and he's going to show me around the room. Thank you, David.
No, this is my pleasure. Please, por favor, let me start with some information about the resort. After you.
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna provide some information. So, what do you think about the property?
Beautiful, stunning, very calm and serene.
So that's the Le Blanc signature. Everything quiet, everything relaxed, you know, very quiet place. So we do have 4 different pools. Infinity pool, the one that is close to the sea, and the main one. The 2 of them, they are heated water. Okay. So then, if we go to the left and on the right side of the property, we will find 2 more pools, and they are cold water. Okay. Next to the palm trees, the blue circles, they are hot tubs. Okay. So pool time, it's 7 a.m. till 8:30 p.m. So as you can see right here, it's the terrace. You can get the terrace from the main floor, which is number 5.
And we are on floor 8, correct?
That is correct.
And we checked in on floor
number 5.
5, okay.
So, ground floor, you will find 4 different restaurants. So on this building on the right of the property, ground floor close to the beach, you're gonna find Ocean. That is a Mexican seafood restaurant.
Ooh.
Okay, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner a la carte. Okay, so just before get the pools, you're gonna find international restaurant, breakfast, buffet, lunch, and dinner a la carte. Dinner is our steakhouse. Okay, on the left side, you're gonna find pizza place. It's open all day long from 11 a.m. till 11 p.m. And right on the left side, on the corner, you're gonna find Metse, that is our Lebanese restaurant.
Oh.
That one is open for dinner. So can you see the stairs?
Oh, yes.
Okay. If we take them from the lobby, we're gonna get number 4 and number 3. So you will find Fire Bar. That one is an open bar, an outdoor bar. And it is open from 6 p.m. till 2 at night.
I'll definitely be going there.
Absolutely.
How many rooms are in this hotel?
325.
Really, it's very spacious.
See.
You get a feeling that it has more rooms than it does because it's well laid out. It's not cramped. You get a feeling of openness.
Yes, that is correct. Actually, you can see the layout of the room. They are very spacious. No?
Yes, a nice glass railings so that you can sit in a chair and look right through the railings to the beautiful beach.
And actually, early in the morning, you will get a nice sunrise.
Oh, I can well imagine. I can well imagine. The beach here is fabulous.
I know it. It's really beautiful. The Sea of Cortez right in front of you. As soon as you open the curtains, you always get this nice view.
Well, let's have a little look at the room as well.
Por favor.
Gracias.
This is a welcome amenity, okay, and everything is chocolate. Okay?
Oh, everything is chocolate.
Yes.
Oh my.
So you can eat everything, but not a plate. So, right here you're gonna find this brochure. Here you will find water activities going on by the pool.
Yes.
Okay, also fitness schedule and live music going on in our different bars. Okay, everything is right here, and this one changes every single week. Okay.
Perfect. I think I'm going to a Pilates class. I think in the morning, I think.
Why not?
Yeah.
Yoga on the terrace.
Why
It's
not?
beautiful.
I bet.
So this is small white remote. This one works for the ceiling fan.
Yes.
Okay, numbers to turn it on.
Yes.
Just the button in the middle to turn it off. So here at LeBlanc, we do have an app that works through the TV.
Yes.
Okay, just as soon as you click on the smart button, click on it, and with the arrows, click on LeBlanc. Okay, we do have two options right now, Spanish or English.
Yes.
So click on English, and you will get these several options to choose.
Room service, butler, comfort menu.
So let me show you room service menu, some information about the food, and then if we click on the right, you will find the several options to choose from. As you can see, every single point, it's a page. So several options to choose from.
And this is 24 hours, isn't it?
24 hours.
Vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free.
That is correct. So you should try everything.
Okay. I will.
So Butler services, all the services that we do provide from 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. You will have two different butlers, okay? Morning butler and evening butler.
Okay.
Comfort menu, this is one of the most popular. So we do offer several bath salts to get a nicer bath. All of them, they are sea salts, and they come with fragrance.
The bathtub here, I love the design of it.
And we are able to make it up, okay, to fill it up and make it bubbly or just a regular one.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I will take advantage of that for sure.
Absolutely, you should. So then we do have some scents that works through the diffuser up there to get a nicer smell. Okay, so any of them, they are also part of your package. Just let us know or work with the app, and you will be able to ask for them. Then we do have also a pillow menu, 6 different types of them. The pillows that you can see right on the back, the bigger ones, they are goose feather, and the small ones, they are hypoallergenic. Okay. We do have also like chamomile, lavender mint, or maybe an orthopedic.
Perfect.
Okay, to get a nicer sleep. And the last thing, well, we do have some special soaps. They are 100% organic and they are made in Mexico. There is one of them included with your package.
Perfect.
And to be honest, all of them are
good?
Yes.
Well, I may have to try all of them.
So let's get back. Right here. So some phone calls that are part of your package, the ones that are included, the ones that are not.
Okay.
Right here at LeBlanc, we do have 3 important extensions. Hospitality or in-room dining, dial please 0. Butler services, number 1, and spa, number 2. Okay. Remember, with your package, all the spa is part of your package. Talking about hydrotherapy, steam room, sauna, cold room, jacuzzis, and the big hot tubs that are in there.
So a guest that checks in here gets to take advantage of that on a daily basis.
Right. See.
Beautiful.
Yeah, if you would like to get a massage or maybe a facial, it comes with an extra cost.
Yes.
But the hydrotherapy,
perfect.
You can join it as many times.
I'm having a spa treatment, I think, on Wednesday.
Oh, very
yeah,
nice.
It's already booked, yes.
Sounds fantastic.
Yes.
All of them are really good.
Yes.
So, and channels, all American TV, just with a few Mexican channels.
Yes.
Then, do you have an iPhone?
I don't.
Well, just in case, we do have Apple TV that works with the TV. Okay. Otherwise, well, pardon me. So you can do streaming with your Android.
Yes.
Okay. This is a smart TV. So, and later on, please take a look at the safety and hotel regulations.
Okay.
To get out, exit.
Okay.
Okay. And you
perfect.
will get the channel TV.
Excellent.
And
let's explore a little bit more here.
See.
Can we turn this light on?
Absolutely. So, the red wine, the alcohol section.
So it's Black Label, Bacardi, and Absolute.
Vodka.
Very nice.
All of them are part of your package. Okay. No extra cost.
You must have known I was coming because I drink Absolute.
If we find the bottle empty, no worries. We'll replace it. The bottle of tequila.
Yes.
Okay, it's Blanc tequila. You can take the bottle with you.
Oh, thank you.
My pleasure. So right here you're gonna find the caps, okay, for the coffee espresso machine.
Yes.
Right here, snacks. Everything is refreshed daily, okay, and it's also part of your package. Cold drinks, as cold water, regular Coke, Diet Coke, Corona beer, Bud Light, club soda, orange juice, chocolate milk.
Perfect.
And well, it's cooler and extra water.
Perfect.
All right.
And a bottle of wine.
Absolutely. I didn't mention you, but the beach bag is for you.
I have one, but not from here. Mine is Cancun, so now I have two. Lucky me.
That is right. So, the bathtub.
Oh, look at the faucets. Isn't that unique? Beautiful.
All over amenities for the bath, they are BVLGARI.
Mm-hmm.
And if...
Oh, look at the waterfall shower head. Oh my. This is lovely.
I know, and it is separate.
Perfect.
For ladies, right here.
Hairdryer, and is that a flat iron?
That is correct.
Very nice. And a makeup mirror that's lit.
That is correct.
Very nice. Well, David, this has been a wonderful tour. My
so right
goodness.
Here, let me continue. So we have iron and iron board right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then on the left, you're gonna find an extra thing as a safety, slippers, an umbrella just in case.
It doesn't rain in Cabo though, right?
Well, not exactly, but it's
not
nice
often.
to get a nicer walk on the beach.
Yeah, true.
And well, right here, that is the last thing. This is a touch screen, okay? And the one up makes a red light on. So that means do not disturb.
Mm-hmm.
So please make sure to turn it off in case you ask for any type of service.
Oh, right.
Otherwise, we will not able to get in or knock the door. Okay. And the one down makes a blue light on. Please, as soon as you leave in the morning, just turn it on. That way the maid will pass by and clean your room up.
Perfect.
Okay. Any questions so far?
Can I move in here permanently? That would be my only question. Oh my, well this is going to be wonderful. I know I'm going to enjoy my stay. Thank you very, very much, David, for showing me around. I really appreciate your time.
My pleasure. So anytime. So I'm going to be here till 11 o'clock.
Okay.
So dial number 1 and you will get a hold of me.
Right? Awesome. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay. See you later.